bunnies is trapped in the canyon. Rubble needs your help using his jackhammer to clear the path so that Rocky can repair the broken bridge. You got the pup treats. Pick the pup ability that You did it! There's a golden paw print close by. You got the golden paw print. Collect all of the golden paw prints that you find. Collect all the pup treats you find to earn pup treat awards when we get back to the lookout. To pull the rope to the left, move the left stick. Go quickly. You have to get through the path before it closes. Which pup ability should you use? Great job! We're almost there. Awesome! Help Rubble to move the rocks into the right spot. Way to go! Great job! There's a golden paw print nearby. Collect all the pup treats in a mission to earn special pup treat awards. Keep going. Help Rubble clear the path to the bunnies using his jackhammer. You found a golden paw print. See if you can find them all. It's too high for Rubble to jump. We need Marshall to use his ladder. Choose which pup ability to use. All right, now we can keep moving. Keep collecting pup treats whenever you find them. Pick the pup ability that... Perfect! There's a golden paw print close by. A golden paw print. You got it. Collect all of the golden paw prints that you find. Find all the pup treats that... Rubble cleared the path. Now it's Rocky's turn. Help him Rocky! We're halfway there. pup ability should you... You did it! Awesome climbing! Let's keep moving! Find and collect all the pup treats that you can! You found a golden paw print! See if you can find them all! Keep collecting pup treats whenever you find them. Find all the pup treats that you can. Rocky can't jump that far. Yelp for Sky's help to move that log. Choose which pup... All right, now we can keep moving. Get to the broken bridge to help Rocky repair it and rescue the family of bunnies. To pull the rope to the left, move the left stick. Go quickly. You have to get through the path before it closes. Great job! We're almost there. Pick the pup ability. That's great! Awesome climbing! Let's keep moving! Find and collect you got the golden paw print. Pick the pup ability that you need. Way to go! Awesome climbing! Let's keep moving! Which pup ability should you use? Great job! Help Rocky to move the pieces into the right spot.